But where do we get this reference data? How do we make it available? And this is really what our paper is about. We leverage high-quality datasets from clinical trial, including those from Biogen and Merck, and this is just about reusing data. It's about unlocking the potential, contributing to the data value chain for innovation, a hallmark of 21st century healthcare. And here is the twist. In this paper, we don't use real patient data. Instead, we generate synthetic, anonymous, augmented datasets. These datasets are validated for both fidelity, meaning that they accurately reproduce all the clinical trial endpoints for all subgroups, and privacy. Thanks to cutting-edge method, we ensure no participant can be re-identified, making the data GDPR compliant. But where do we get this reference data? Well, this is what the paper is actually about. We leverage high-quality dataset from clinical trial, including those from Biogen and Merck. This is not just about reusing data. It's about secondary uses of data contributing to the data value chain. It's about unlocking its potential for innovation, a hallmark of 21st century healthcare. And here is a twist. Here is what the paper is about. We don't use real patient data. We don't need real patient data. Instead, we generate synthetic anonymous datasets that will serve as the reference. These datasets are analyzed for both fidelity utility, meaning that they accurately reproduce all the clinical trial endpoints in all subgroups, and privacy as well. Thanks to cutting-edge methods, we ensure no participant can ever be re-identified, making the data out of the GDPR regulation. Our paper in JMIR shows that the synthetic data set can reproduce the endpoint of clinical trial across all patient subgroups, and privacy is guaranteed. This is a total game changer for research and clinical practice, and that's why we offered as an open education and publication resource a full open access to placebo arm as a resource for the global community. So basically, don't just take our word for it. Read the paper and explore the open access placebo arms we've made available. Together, let's shape the future of personalized medicine in multiple sclerosis.